Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text alignment in Excel chart. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook and create a chart. We can see here many text. You can change the alignment of the text. Select the text, click and drag on your mouse and go back the home menu. We can see here many alignment. You can align the left, right or center. Otherwise you can select this text and change the alignment. You can change alignment center, middle, top, bottom, etc. Now we can see we change the text alignment in Excel chart very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.